Buongiorno from Sorrento. You guys have been following me and I have been traveling around this region for a while. I'm literally here where I can see Napoli, Capri, and here we are with the gorgeous Mediterranean Sea in front of us. It's time for brunch, time to whip up some light bites. I have been exploring the local produce here, you know, lemons, oranges, olive oil and tomatoes and lots of stuff. Let's head to my terrace and let's whip something up for brunch. So here we are, look at this gorgeous spread. There's tomatoes, there's lemons, there's zucchini, ricotta, and let's get going. Isn't this gorgeous? What am I making? A quick crostini with ricotta and zucchini, and I'll do another one with ricotta and cherry tomatoes. I've got a cup of ricotta here. Now if you don't have access to ready ricotta, you can just make your own by blending a block of paneer with a little water till you get a creamy consistency, or you can make fresh paneer at home, which is very similar to how ricotta is made. Blend it in a blender and you will get the same creamy consistency. Yeah, so that's done and time to season it well. So I'm going to add some salt, pepper. You can add chili if you like, dry herbs, whatever you like. I have some fresh basil, so I'm going to put that in. I always prefer to use fresh herbs. For those of you who don't know, the lemons of Sorrento are famous. They used to make limoncello, lots of desserts, and just the aroma of the skin, it's gorgeous. Yeah, so I'm going to zest some of this lemon into my ricotta mix, add some lemon juice and make it nice and lemony. Wow, that smells gorgeous. Just the aroma of those lemons. It's enough. You really don't need much more. The next step is to make these zoodles or zucchini noodles or strips. Just take a peeler and go on like this. Once you've done the zucchini noodles or the zucchini strips, just give it a quick saute in the pan with olive oil, a bit of salt. You don't want them too soft, just a bit crunchy, literally a couple of minutes, and that's done. Right, so I've got some fresella, which is the local crusty bread, almost like rusk biscuits. And you just need to moisten it up with some olive oil. And then goes on our ricotta mix. That definitely are the colors of the Italian flag. I need some fresh basil and we're done. Lemon zest for the tomato crostini. Chin chin. This is a spritz which pairs really well with appetizers. What is a spritz? It's a cocktail of Aperol and Prosecco or white wine and soda. I have shared this recipe earlier on my Instagram page, and this pairs perfectly with this crostini. So these kind of small bites where you don't have to cook, it's cold ingredients, are perfect for the hot summer weather. You don't have to toil in the kitchen all day. You could play around with the toppings and you can play around with the kinds of bases of baguettes and breads that you use. You could even use crackers. So yeah, go on, get adventurous and enjoy. So, hope you enjoyed that. It's a gorgeous sunny day. I'm off to enjoy those lovely crostini. I'm Natasha 𝐡𝐨𝐬. Do visit my YouTube channel, Instagram page, Natasha 𝐡𝐨𝐬, for lots more recipes from Italy. Until then, ciao!